we are changing.
Everybody knows that I dislike Vybz Kartel. I dislike Vybz Kartel from your police and their Gregory Park. Everybody knows. Kartel write me from in a prison. A dog me up because I hate Kartel. One thing with me, when me have something against you, I no secret. I didn't know that when you use people video and perform in it, I promote them videos. I didn't know that. But you see right now, Kartel are my dupes. Me love Kartel right now. Next to how me love. That's how me love Kartel. Kartel do that video here with his mother and put that song in it. That when he was growing up, he was poor. And asked his mother how him not have certain things. And him promised his mother that when him get big, him go fix it. And I am to do this video 3 days now since I saw it. And each time I'm too emotional to do the video. Kartel say, Mama, when me get big, me I go fix your poverty. And for those of you who are prophesy and see Kartel I go down, we send back that to the pit of hell because Kartel shall live. A lot of you have curse and damnation because you don't have no space in your life for your parents who sacrificed their whole life for you. Your parents who give up their happiness, who eat the source of food so you could get meat, who spend sleepless night so that you could have an education to teach you. You don't have no room in no busy schedule for no parents. No, you don't have no room. So your life entails on a spouse, on no precious children, on no siblings, on no friends, on no neighbors. But you don't hate no parents who sacrifice for you. A lot of you have curse and damnation for yourself. And you know what? It may look like you know prosper, but you know will never amount to nothing because the blessing you want to seek on your parents it depends. Nothing you do will make you happy until you go back a grassroots and go and love on your parents and cherish on your parents for the sacrifice that they make for you. And a lot of me ever come chat this about my parents who abandoned me. When I search and find my mother at 21 years old, me go search and find her. I realize that she live in a rent house and me throw a partner and give my mother for help put on a little one room for her mother's house. And since me sick, me start support my mother monthly. Every month that God Almighty send, my mother who abandoned me get her food money every month that God send. And the only reason, as soon as me get back on my foot, I will ensure that my mother is fed. Despite she hate me, she never thank me yet, them never appreciate me yet, I still do the best that I can. Kartel, anywhere Kartel I go, Kartel, there is room for Kartel's mother. Kartel, big up yourself. Kartel salute his mother. So Kartel adore his children. And Kartel is a family man. So if you want an example of what second chance and blessing is, you look how Kartel take care of his mother. You run up and down from church and look pastor to pray for you. You don't need no pastor to pray for you. The blessing you need in our parents. You're not too busy. If you go look for no parents who sick, you never call on a sick parents one day yet and find out how them doing if them living or them dead. You know if you buy too much plane ticket or take too much cruise, so you can't afford to ensure so no matter get a one night dinner. But a curse is on you know see no parents heartbreak. You know go and live to regret it. Mark it down 10. It may look like you know prosper, but you don't know how far to go. You will never achieve much out of this life because you know something? You ungrateful to your parents. You ungrateful to your parents. A lot of your parents don't deserve nothing neither, you know. Because you have no children and forsake them. So a lot of you don't deserve anything neither, you know. Because you never know if your children living or no dead. So a lot of our parents are get what you deserve. But I hope a lot of children can find it in them heart to forgive you. But a lot of ungrateful parents, a curse is on you that what will never, a curse is on you that you will never get rid of. Because you neglect your parents who sacrifice for you. Take that.